Right now we are headed to Fern Canyon. Well, I don't know what it is, but apparently Steven Spielberg, he filmed the Jurassic Park 2 in this like canyon. He used some of the trees, I guess, to film it, the location to film it, right?
Yeah.
And I love Jurassic Park. Hi, my name is Ricky.
My name is Brandon, and welcome to our Lives Unscripted.
We're on Davison Road right now, and I guess you can see elk over here. So I'll have to see if we can see some. Oh, they're right there. After the treacherous drive, we found a little beach. This
Well, we're not really done with the treacherous drive.
Okay, right now we are here at the Fern Canyon, and we didn't know how much it would cost to get in, but when we were at the gate going to pay, he said if you have a National Parks Pass, it is free with your park pass, so we got in free. And we're gonna go down the canyon. The canyon road is actually closed, so you have to walk 2 miles down the road to actually get to Fern Canyon, so that's what we're gonna do right now.
No, to get to the start of the trail. For the
yeah. So it's gonna be like, he said like 4.5 miles round trip is probably how far we're gonna have to hike. And this is why the road is closed. There's a whole bunch of like rivers going through the road, so they don't want you to drive your car or anything. So you have to like cross these rivers. Brandon just made it to the other side. Now it's my turn. Okay, we're walking up to like a herd of elk right now. We have to like cross them to get across the road.
Welcome to Map Time, everyone.
Welcome to Map Time, everyone, where we're always so confused.
Not we.
Brandon. Yeah, I know.
Ricky's always
I'm not confused, Brandon always is. Anyway, we're at the Coastal Bluffs beach section, and we're going to take the trail to Fern Canyon. And if you see that on the map, it's like the white section we're going to take.
It's not anywhere where she pointed.
This here?
The little circle loop.
Oh, this one here?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay, right there.
Some of them move. Whoa, that was a close one.
Oh my gosh, I almost fell in.
She made it across.
Watch out for dinosaurs.
Alright, I'll try.
We're doing a little upgrade. Oh, even lying, it's so cold.
I can't feel my toes right now.
Come across our first dinosaur egg. What do you think's in it?
Velociraptor.
If you come to Fern Canyon, make sure that you bring shoes that you're okay with getting wet. So when we were like over there, I changed from my shoes to my Crocs, and it's a lot better because they're soaked right now.
And our feet are really numb.
Yeah.
Probably don't come in like the winter.
So if you come to and you like go in the water and your feet are really cold, then just start like walking around a little bit once you get out of the water, then you could like warm your feet.
Like dancing maybe?
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Dancing around.
On our way in here, we were waiting. We were just kind of walking on all the logs, crossing the stream where we could to keep our feet dry. But then our feet got wet, and it was basically like we just walked in the water the whole time on the way back. Yeah, so now we can't feel our feet because they're numb. So we're gonna keep walking to warm them up.
Okay, we have a problem right now. We're trying to cross the road, but there's like elk on either side, and there's that bull elk over there as well, and it kind of like gave us a weird look. I don't really want to cross in between two elk. I'm not gonna cross in between them. Brandon, that one's walking towards you. We're gonna try to walk around on the grass where Brandon's going. But this elk is like walking towards us.
Our hearts are pounding right now.
The elk almost charged us.
Yeah, he's taking steps towards us and following us down the road. Yeah, so hopefully the camera's not shaking too much. I'm like shaking still. But yeah,
we were like 10 feet away from it. It was coming at us.
But yeah, like, so they're on the road and we walked up into the woods to try to go around them so we wouldn't get too close or walk in between. And then as we were walking in the woods, in the brush, we didn't know it at the time, but there's an elk behind us up in the woods.
And we're kind of backing up towards the elk in the woods, so I think the bull elk was getting protective of the elk in the woods.
Yeah, so I still can't even see the elk that was in the woods. It's still like hiding. We can't even see it right now. Yeah, I'm like shaking right now.
I thought we were gonna get charged.
I know, me too.
As soon as we saw the elk in the woods and we knew where it was, we kind of moved away from it, and then the elk stopped charging us.
Well, he like was following us down the road. Yeah, but that was scary. Hopefully other people don't have the same problem.
Yeah, like they were fine before because all the elk were on the one side of the road, but now you kind of have to. You don't want to really cross in between them because it's so protective of the females.
Yeah. So all right. Hopefully other people have better luck than we did.
Okay, what are we doing now?
We are in the Redwood National Park and we're taking this Lady Bird Johnson trail. We went to the visitor center and it's kind of getting dark, so she suggested this trail for us to go on, and it's only a mile and a half.
We're in a redwood tree right now. We got it burned out so we can stand in it.
That's crazy.
It's so tall. So how do you like the trail so far?
It's pretty good. It's nice. The weather is really nice. The trail's easy. And I get to hug a lot of redwoods.
She's been hugging trees and we're just walking around on this trail. It's really cool. It's like super quiet here. Oh my gosh, this is the coolest part so far.
So this is a super easy trail and it's really short if you don't have very much time. It's near Oric?
Ulrich. Yeah, Ulrich, California.
Yeah, and the only bad thing was like coming up to get here was like kind of bad.
Yeah, it says no buses or campers or RVs because it's like pretty steep grade coming up.
And our van was kind of getting
a little
hot.
Heated up. Yeah, so we stopped halfway up and let it cool down a bit and kept going. But yeah, it's pretty cool. The trees are really big and cool, and it's super quiet and a nice kind of leisurely stroll.
If you're just driving by, check it out. Definitely worth the hike.
I was wondering if she's gonna say that. She says it all the time.